In this video, I will show you how to create and manage your contract house styles in the Weagree Wizard. To modify your company's contract house styles, go to the Administrator page and click Organise Contract House Styles. A powerful functionality of the Weagree Wizard is the possibility to manage your contract house styles from one place. A modification is adopted in this house style management tool and applied across all templates based on that house style. You can customize the look and feel of your cover page. Redefining the contract cover page layout can be started by clicking on one of the two sample styles and be fine-tuned in the print lines underneath. For each print line on the cover page, you can identify the text or type of information to be reflected and determine their formatting. Use the magnifier for selecting the available types of information such as, for example, the contract title, a party's name or short name, the current date, and confidentiality notices. Formatting properties include the paragraph alignment, font properties, color and size, as well as the white space underneath it. The contract house style determines which information must be inserted where in the headers and footers of the contracts, both for a contract's first page and the subsequent pages. This works in the same way as on the cover page. Per introduced contract languages, so-called phrases can be formulated and translated. If the language of the underlying template is French or Dutch, then in the generated Word document, an inserted phrase, such as confidential, will automatically be printed as confidentieel or vertrouwelijk. As part of the house style, you can determine whether the contracting parties will be referred to by reference to their name or by a functional reference, such as purchaser, licensor, or service provider, in each case as defined in the template settings. This permits your company to change its reference policies at any point in time. Moreover, this functionality reinforces the reusability of building blocks in the clause library. For example, a universal building block in which a party is identified as licensor or licensee will transform the same into seller and purchaser when the licensing-related building block is reused in a sales agreement. Also, the presentation of the table of contents and any list of schedules can be defined. Regarding the table of contents, not only the title line can be determined, but also which paragraph levels must appear. Regarding a list of schedules, you can determine its positioning, the title line, which can be a translatable phrase, as well as the level of detail to be reflected. As regards the document margins, an adjustment here in the contract house style settings will prevail over the margin properties in the underlying .x files. A great functionality used by a number of our customers is the Caption Settings. A caption summarizes a contract clause in 1, 2, or 3 keywords. In the house style settings, you can define the font properties, including the font color, and how it is separated from the contract clause immediately following the caption. Since you can switch off the use of captions, you will appreciate that they are automatically inserted when you create any contract clause in the template creation tool. Click the Save As button to save the changes, or if you wish to create a new default house style.